We enable you to reduce the time it takes to complete tenders from days to a matter of minutes. With Chattie, our generative AI solution that is trained against your company's specific technical documentation. I'm going to demonstrate how this can be done using a company called Once. Once are one of the best IoT SIM cards in the UK and worldwide. They facilitate the connection between IoT devices. They are often required to complete tenders, in which they need to provide detailed technical documentation to a variety of questions. An example tender may look like this, where BlueMed, the company in question, asks a variety of technical questions and expects Once to answer them. Usually this process takes days, where the team at Once needs to formulate specific answers to BlueMed's questions. If we jump to their Chattie instance, which has been trained against all their data, we can see how this works. In the first message, the user needs to provide a bit more context in terms of the company the tender is for. In this case, we're looking to complete tender responses for BlueMed. They are looking for a solution like the one we offer, focused on IoT communication, security, and fast connection. Their instance of Chattie understands that it's answering questions for Once. That's why we can use words like we, as the solution acts like an in-house employee. This frame of reference is then injected into the core instructions behind the generative AI large language model. Any subsequent question will take this sentence into account. The user can then copy and paste the questions into their instance. In our first question, we asked, how does your IoT connectivity solution ensure uninterrupted and stable network coverage in remote field hospital locations? Chattie understands all of Once's technical documentation and dynamically injects the relevant pieces of information into the prompt. The large language model processes all this information and provides an instant answer, relevant to BlueMed's specific requirements. Once the answer is given, the user can simply copy and paste the answer into the document, or refine the answer using clarifying statements. For instance, the user may want to make the answer shorter and less technical. A more refined response will instantly be provided. With the way we have structured technical documentation in the backend, answers are hallucination-free. In addition to that, every answer is stored within a database for the administrator to analyze.